This is a Solana app running natively in an Android emulator. We covered how to get here in previous videos. You can find the playlist below. When we tap connect, the wallet app opens and asks us to approve. Once we approve, we're sent back to the app and we see we are connected. The same thing happens when we send a transaction or sign a message. The protocol behind all of this is Mobile Wallet Adapter, MWA for short. Let's look at how it works. But first, why do we even need it? On desktop, we usually interact with Solana apps through the browser. Wallets are browser extensions that inject themselves into the page. It is a way for apps to discover which wallets you have installed. On mobile, it's a different story. Most browsers here don't support extensions. Users get around this by using the browser inside their wallet, but this is generally not a great experience. And for native apps, there's no way to discover other apps. Developers can work around this by adding support for individual wallets one by one, but that doesn't really scale. This is what MWA fixes. MWA is a standard protocol for connecting to wallets and signing transactions and messages on mobile. It lets native and web apps connect to any MWA-compatible wallet installed on a phone. One integration covers every MWA wallet, so the user chooses their wallet and not the developer. Let's see how it works in practice. Our app initiates a connection by calling connect. Under the hood, MWA fires an Android intent that prompts the OS to wake up a compatible wallet. In the wallet, the user approves the request. The wallet then sends the account details, like the address and the label, back to our app. Now we can show the user's balance and call other methods for sending transactions and signing messages. So what if you have multiple wallets installed? When the app fires the intent, Android shows its standard app chooser and the user selects a wallet. Tap just once to choose the wallet each time, or tap always to make that wallet the default. But what happens if you tap always and you want to switch later? To clear it, go to Settings, Apps and pick the app. Open by default and then tap Clear Default Preferences. The next time you connect, the chooser will appear again and you can pick a different wallet. Now, normally this is where we dig through code, but honestly there isn't much to look at. Import use mobile wallet, take the connect function and call it. Done, that's the whole integration. All the MWA machinery is wrapped up in Wallet UI, an open source headless UI library built by some guy on the internet. That was a high-level overview of Mobile Wallet Adapter, why we need it and how it works. Want to see what's inside Wallet UI or want a deeper look at MWA itself? Let me know in the comments below.